Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So I have been looking for casual shoes, and after surfing and after reading all the reviews, I found this Campus Wave 4 to be one of the finest casual shoes available right now. So without further ado, let's unbox it first and I will give you my first impression. Guys, whenever you are buying shoes, always give your preference to the comfort. Comfort is what makes the shoe perfect for your legs, and it will be much more comfortable for you to wear for a longer period of time. So guys, this is my Campus Wave 4. Packaging is really nice, and I really like this black box because black is what makes me happy. And okay, let's unbox it. Okay, so this is one shoe, and this is second. As you can see, the quality of shoe is really nice. What else inside the box? I am getting this Campus Foam Light, the high rebound foam designed to inject new level of energy and comfort in performance of water with substantial. So this is what inside the box. Breathable mesh comfort, soft lining, super soft insole, responsive cushioning. Yes, and this is the other range. Okay, that's really good. And a bag. Okay, after plastic ban, they are using such bags. Really nice material. Let's keep it aside and focus on our shoes. Remove it. As you can see, it has memory foam inside it, and the look of the shoe is really awesome. It has mesh design, so it should be airy. And so guys, it has soft rubber material. The sole is really nice. So these are my new Campus Wave 4 shoes. So I will use these shoes for from now, and I will bring full review to you that how's these shoes. So guys, that's it for today. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Peace.